All right, so what's going on? We are back and we have the new iPad 10th generation right here in hand. Now, this is the yellow version of this iPad, and today we're gonna unbox it and just see what the first impressions are of it. So let's go. What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and here we go. Now, first things first, I do want to go ahead and just get this out of the way because this came to me in a cardboard box with no plastic or anything on it. So Apple did not put any plastic in the box is damaged. So hopefully everything is okay on the inside. There are no holes or anything, but this box is dirty and damaged. No plastic on the outside of it. So I did just pick up the 64 gigabyte version of the 10th generation iPad, the Wi-Fi only, no cellular. I don't need cellular, I got hotspots galore. So what we're going to do now is just get with the unboxing. All right. And there we go. So I ordered the Magic Keyboard Folio as well. It's not coming same day, but this is the iPad itself. We'll just talk about that in a little bit. But let's go ahead and let's at least get this open. And that is what we have. That is that yellow. And this is not yellow, bright yellow, like kind of like you would think. It's more of a golden yellow, more of a matte finish on that yellow, but it looks really nice. I like the color. I kind of wanted to go with that pink, but I was kind of afraid, but I think the pink is more of like a watermelony color, reddish pink, more than a pink. So in here, all right, we got our normal stuff, normal Apple stickers. I wish they had given us some yellow Apple stickers, but hey. All right, so inside the box, it does come with a USB type C to C charging cable, and you do get a 20-watt wall adapter in there. So big shout out, we still get a wall adapter with these iPads because we know the phones, all that stuff is gone and finished. So this video is just to unbox this, and we're going to turn it on just to see what it looks like, but I will not be setting this up right now. Now it does come on in the landscape mode. So that is a big, like literally it came on in the landscape mode. So that is a big change. I do have it upside down, and we do have a landscape camera up here with greeted by the hello and all that good stuff and all the different languages. So I'm interested to see how this is going to work out because we know the pros still have the portrait camera, but we do get a landscape camera here. And let's see, on the bottom, we do get the pen connectors on the bottom. That's going to connect to our Magic Keyboard Folio and Apple logo on back. But that is it. So if you can just see, I'll just show you. Camera, you may not be able to see it, but camera is right there in the landscape mode. So I'm interested to see how this thing is gonna work out and pan out. And then we got cases and accessories and all that good stuff coming in. So stay tuned. I'll be doing follow-ups with some different accessories. I do have Logitech, the new Logitech crayon coming for the iPad Pro, and I'm hoping that it's gonna work on here. I'm pretty sure it's going to. And I do want to see how the response time is on this device because I don't own an Apple Pencil Gen 1. This does not work with Generation 2 Apple Pencil at all. So I want to see what the response time is and if they increased anything or if it is a little bit more fluid than the other generations of iPad. But for now, we are going to just get this thing set up and I will be coming back with follow-up reviews. So any questions that you may have about any of this stuff, be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you need to know, and I will get that video out for you as soon as possible. My reasoning this year for going with the 10th generation versus the Pro 12.9, and I still may be getting the Pro 12.9, but the Pro 12.9, for all of you who do have questions, seems to be the same as the last year's model, the M1 model. So if I get enough requests to do a 12.9 video, I'll do a 12.9. All right, so that's gonna be it. We'll get this set up. We'll come back and do more videos on this. And we'll also talk about iPadOS 16 because that's gonna be the biggest game changer for any of these new devices. We know this won't support a lot of those features because it has the A14 chip in it. It does not have an M1. But we are interested to see how all this stuff is gonna work out. So be sure and hit that subscribe button so you get all my notifications. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.